Today on a special holiday episode of Knockout Kitchen, we will be making traditional Newfoundland turkey dinner, or as we call it, Jiggs Dinner. Mind you, Jiggs Dinner doesn't necessarily need to have turkey, but come on, you gotta have turkey. First things first, prep your dressing by tearing up a loaf of bread by hand. This is what my grandmother always did, so this is what I do. Dice 2 onions. Sauté in 2 to 4 tablespoons of butter. Season. Add. Stir. Add a healthy amount of Mount Scio savory. Next, remove the turkey neck from the turkey's butthole. Don't forget the organ bag. Next, tightly pack the whole loaf of dressing. Add the turkey, neck, and organs to a roaster. Cover. Shoot a rope of olive oil over the turkey. Season. Cover and place in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Meanwhile, soak a bag of split peas. Be sure to baste your bird every half hour or hour. This was around the 3-hour mark, so I basted once more and returned the turkey for another 30 minutes uncovered. Beautiful. Add your peas to a peas pudding bag. Add to a pot of salt beef. Next, prep your veggies. I'm using carrot, parsnip, turnip, cabbage, and red potatoes. Add a bunch of salt beef to a pot of water large enough to fit your veggies and boil until cooked. Give your cabbage a 10-minute head start. Cover. Add remaining veggies to the pot and return to a boil. The veggies vary in times, but they take around 20 to 25 minutes. Next, make a flour water slurry with a bunch of flour and cold water. Shake the bejesus out of it. Remove the vegetables as they become done. Now it's time to get the peas pudding ready. Take an orange bowl with a white interior. Make sure to do this with bare hands to burn the hell out of yourself like me. Add pepper and butter and pretend the shot is in focus. Stir. Now it's time for the gravy. Add your turkey drippings to a pot and add your desired quantity of salt beef veggie water. Gravy browning. Bring to a boil and add your slurry. Whisk. Well, there you have it, folks. Knockout Kitchen's traditional Newfoundland turkey dinner, or Jiggs Dinner, however you want to call it. Make sure to serve with the dressing you made, since I neglected to whilst filming. Hey now! As always, thanks for watching. I respond to all of my comments and they really do mean a lot to me. If you enjoyed this recipe, then like the video up. It helps putting eyeballs on my channel, and be sure to share with your friends on social media and subscribe for more recipes. It's free!